everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. Let's take a look. You see, it's pretty interesting. It's almost a complete presentation and it has anything you want. And as you can see, it's look really great. So how we can create that? That's just a template, so you can create that. At first, we need to insert a new slide. The slide is going to blank, and the background is a space background that I get it from the internet. You can find it and insert it from the picture and then apply it to all. Okay, after that, we need to have these three shapes. And these text, these are just text and shape, nothing special about them. These are pictures, you can download them, and after downloading them you can crop them here, and this is done. So how we create the next slide? We copy this slide, we go to crop option. You see, for the cropping, you crop the picture and bring it to the top, to the place you want, and do it for all of them like this we do here. But I'm going to change a modification to that so it look even better. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go to picture format here and in the crop option and bring this picture to the top. So with the crop, it doesn't look bad. You see? And also this picture. Now I'm going to copy that. For the next slide, we need to have the original picture and this tree. What we do, we delete this two, and this. But with deleting them, we create a problem for us. The presentation is not going to look smooth. Because of that, we just simply move them out or top, it's up to you. Then bring this thing down. And after that, while we create these two shapes that look really amazing, these are just really a small thing, but I hope maybe you don't understand how I create this number. So let's create one for the misspell. And then after that, insert a text box. In the text box, we put number we want, for example, Q here. Then increase it in size. Then select these two and go here and align them center and middle. Then make them combine. And now you see the great thing is created. Okay, now we have it. And then after that, we go to crop and increase its size to the full size and bring out the picture and set the transition to the morph. Then do the same thing for all the pictures to your masterpiece created. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments, but let's take a last look. And you can do the same thing for all of them. Have a nice time.